Okay, let's look at how to use a Sentinel value. When you develop the class average program, entering like, for example, 3 students grade, and then you divide by 3, you like to terminate the program in the um, middle of the 3 students. Of course, you may enter 5 or 10 or no matter what. You like to start in the middle, entering maybe -1 or possibly 0. This is how we can control sequence with the Sentinel value. So let's start with something simple, total. Start with 0. I'll add a grade counter. Start with 0, saying we don't have any student grade. To receive the grade, I will use, let's say, a float to get the input from the user. Okay, enter grade -1 to end. So here, while grade now equal to -1, we're going to calculate total. Colon total plus equal grade first students, and then we need to count number of grade. So let's say grade counter plus equal 1, and then grade. We're going to get next students grade. Okay, input enter grade to end. I think I need one more. Missing one here. Then of course you can calculating average total divided by grade counter. But you may need to be careful, because if you have 0, you don't want to divide by 0. So if it's not 0, then you can divide by that. Otherwise, you will say else. Okay, and we can say print. Sorry, missing colon. Print here no grade or enter. Okay, it means you need to add at least 1 grade. That's it. Let me, after you add it, let me print. Okay, so average. That's it. So main idea of the Sentinel value is introduce -1. So if we type, let's say here 90, okay, 90 is now -1, so we are adding 90 to total, and then increase by 1. Grade is count is 1, become 1 from 0. Then we are getting second input. So if we get 80, okay, which is not -1, so we are adding 90 to 80. That will increase by 1, so it will become 2. So if you say -1, and then grade is not equal to -1, that's not true. We are going to be outside the while loop. Grade counter is not equal to 0 because it was 2 of them. Then we are going to calculate total, divide by 2 grade. So there will be average and then print. So let's see. Okay, so here waiting for the input. Here floating number. So let's say what if I put 0? Okay, again waiting for the second input, because 0 is not -1. So I will say 80, and then I will say 90, and then 70. we'll continue waiting for the input until I type -1, which is Sentinel value. So -1, I type the -1, so here we exit the while loop, and then I'm going to be here. And then here counter, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is not equal to 0. So total addition from 0 plus 80 plus 90 plus 70, according to this statement. And then divide by the counter number 4. So that's why is a 60, okay? Because we divide by 4, okay? If you remember that 170 and then 240 divided by 4, okay? Not by 3. We also count the 0, okay? Student who has 0 score, okay? So we are talking about processing for student score. So that's the idea of using Sentinel value -1 here. Of course, you can use any other numbers, okay? That's all. Thank you.